In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Patreon password. We'll walk through changing your password from inside your account settings step by step, so you can keep your account secure and get back to browsing with confidence. If you know your current password, this process takes just a minute. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Patreon. This helps you land on the official site even if you don't have the exact address handy. When the results appear, click the official Patreon link at the top. A quick safety tip. Before you proceed, look at the address bar and make sure you're on patreon.com. That small check helps avoid phishing pages and keeps your information safe. Next, sign in to your account. Enter your login details as you normally would. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification code ready, as you may be prompted for it right after logging in. Take your time here and be careful with capitalization to avoid lockouts. Once you're in, confirm you're on your member profile. Patreon can show different views depending on whether you support creators or manage your own page. Look for the member view of your dashboard. If you see options geared toward creators, use your profile menu to switch to your member profile so you'll have the correct settings available. From the left-hand navigation menu, click Settings. On some screens, this menu may be tucked behind a small icon, so open it if you don't see it right away. Inside Settings, make sure you're viewing the Account tab, where your login details live. In the Account tab, find the Login section. Here's where you change your password. Enter your current password in the first field, then type your new password in the next field, and repeat it exactly in the confirmation field. Aim for a strong password you haven't used elsewhere. Think a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If there's a show or eye icon, use it to double-check for typos. If the Update Password button looks disabled, ensure the new password and confirmation match, and that you've filled out all fields. If you see an error about your current password, retype it carefully and check that caps lock isn't on. When everything looks correct, click Update Password. You should see a confirmation that your password was updated. You may be asked to sign in again. This is normal. Finally, update any saved logins in your browser or password manager so your next sign-in is seamless. If you don't remember your current password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page instead.